Hey, this is Zach with Park City Jewelers, and today we're going to talk about protecting your jewelry from harsh chemicals and how to choose the right hand sanitizer that's not going to damage your jewelry. So I want to pull up this image right here. This is a picture of a ring that we got in a few years ago, and this ring should look shiny and it should look smooth, but you can see that there's some pretty serious chemical damage to this ring. Now this is an extreme case, but this is what can happen when you expose your jewelry to harmful chemicals. Alright, so there's two types of hand sanitizer. There's alcohol-based and there's non-alcohol-based. And the rule is that alcohol-based is safe for jewelry and non-alcohol is not. And that's because non-alcohol-based hand sanitizer is going to cause that jewelry to corrode into pit, similar to the to the picture that we just looked at. What we do recommend is to bring in your jewelry once a year, to have it steam cleaned and inspected by one of our jewelry professionals, and then to clean that jewelry regularly throughout the year with a proper cleaning solution such as what we have here at the store. So come into the store, have your jewelry cleaned and inspected, and pick up some jewelry cleaning solution for the times in between.